What are you doing up there, Allie?
Eating snow.
You're not supposed to eat the snow. You're supposed to wipe the snow off there. What are all the bunny rabbits gonna eat if you eat all the snow? Do bunny rabbits eat snow?
No, they don't.
What do they eat?
Carrots.
Oh, they eat carrots. Oh, okay. Okay, you can eat the snow then. Hey, how old are you?
2.
2. When do you turn 3?
In February.
February, yeah. And it's December now. So you're almost 3. Had a couple months. Are you excited about your little sister coming?
I love my sister.
You love your sister. Well, that's nice. What are you doing, silly? You're shaking the tent trailer. You're funny.
Can I look there?
Yeah, okay.